long O. Before we practiced long A, and remember, for short A, let's write that, short A, the sound is ah, ah, like in the word cat or in the word dad. Only one vowel, one A, so the sound is ah. Long A, if you have a word like Maine, here there are two vowels, the A and the I. The A changes to long A, so the sound is A. So short A, you have a word like man. Long A, you have a word like Maine. So in short A, the sound is ah, and in long A, the sound is A. Oops, that's not right. So we have man, short A, and Maine, long A. Then, next we practiced I, the vowel I. So short I, the short sound for the letter I is I, like the word pin. In long I, the I sound is I, like in the word pine. So pin, only one vowel, the I, so the sound is I, because only one vowel. Here in pine, two vowels, the I and the E, so the I changes and the sound is I, like pine. So short I, pin, long I, pine. So basically, the long sounds are the name of the vowel. So, just like with A and I, for O, when there is more than one vowel, normally, the sound changes. So if you have the letter O, then another letter, then an E, the ah, because of the E, changes to O sound. Like here, in this word, phone. Phone. PH, this is confusing. PH, the sound is like an F. Phone. So let's just keep it like that. We'll put an F for a second, though, so you understand. F. And then if you had an O-N, the sound, the word would be fawn. Fawn. But you add the E, the O and the E, and it changes to phone. Phone. So we have, but phone is with a PH. You have the O, oops, wrong pen, the O and the E, just like here. So the sound is O. Same here with this word. This is a stove. Well, this is a stove. So, st. If you have like this, S-T-O-V, no E, stove. Stove. But if you add the E, stove. Stove. So O, then V, E, stove. 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 Same with this one. Here we have, this would be a bone. Not very good, but that's a bone. This is broken. Broken. So here, broken. You have the O and the E with the K in between, so it is broken. If there was no E, the O sound ah, brocken, but E, broken. And then with the word bone, you have B, O, N, E. No E, bon, bon. Yes, E, bone. So when you have O, some letters, and another, and then an E, the sound changes from aw to O. Same here, you have O, A. O by itself, sound aw. O-A, sound O, O. So here we see that this is a coat, coat, C-O-A-T, coat, O-A, O-A. If there was no A, so just cot, C-O-T, sound cot, cot, C-O-A-T, O, coat. Same here with boat, O-A, O-A. If you have just B-O-T, bot, bot, only one vowel. Two vowels, B-O-A-T, O-A, sound O, so boat. And then one more, we have the throat. So this is neck, right? Throat is the front of neck. So when you're sick, ow, ow, throat hurts, throat ache. So again, throat, O-A, O-A. So you have T-H-R-O-A-T, throat. If you had T-H-R-O-T, throt, throt. T-H-R-O-A-T, O, throat. Okay, we did this one and this one. Now O-W. O-W. Sometimes sound O. W, not a vowel, but sometimes O-W together sound O. Like here, in the word snow. S-N-O-W, snow. I think maybe tonight, snow. And then there's one more. Sometimes O by itself sound O, not ah. So in words like go to school, the O sound is O, not ah. But just sometimes. Mostly O sound is OA and OE. We'll practice these more next week and the week after when we read stories with long O. But for today, that is it. So you can check off number 4. And the last thing today, only 5 things plus pictures. The last thing for today is video 5, write the numbers and words.